Hello friends, welcome to my channel FinTech Logics. So today we will discuss about how do we design an integrated payments product. Now we have discussed about the entire payments need for a loan scenario in detail. If you have not seen that, please refer that. So let's begin our topic of discussion today. So payment system is normally treated as a integrated payment system that is integrated one side with your lending systems and the other side with the outside payment processing world. So payment processing system or a payment system is a complex system that has lot of functionalities, and that is why primarily you would see that okay, none of the lenders develop their own payment system, rather they integrate with a primary product in market for their payment needs. So in short, if we see what are the needs of a payment system, so first thing is a user interface. So user interface that would be needed, where probably you would be able to access rules and batch, you would be able to configure that. You should be able to see what is your past and failed payments. You should be able to set up tickets, you should be able to create orders and all. If anything you want to do manually, you should be able to use your user interface for that. Now the biggest piece here is the second one, which is your backend processes attached with that. So backend processes um, takes care of your end-to-end payment processing from the time you have it due to the time it gets cleared. So that is why you would see it also needs uh, functionalities like your fetching your loan details for payment processing, matching dues. So when the payment comes, matching of dues to the uh, uh, payments is also done by the backend process. Now it is automated. Create batch or automated payment files based on the types of payment that you have. Creating a batch schedule, how do we clear it, how do we take that file forward. Now currency treatments, if there are multi currencies involved, then converting these currencies, taking care of the rate of change for the currencies on a daily basis. Now exception treatment, so if there is any exceptions for the payments, how do we treat that. Any demand aggregation, so if there are multiple dues for a particular loan, how do we aggregate it and send it as one due so that customer does not have to make multiple payments. Duplicate identification, like if you have already raised the payment instruction in one file, the second thing in second file it should not be added again. And finally the security and encryption. So backend process is, in short, does everything, because nowadays payments are mainly processed through a automated process, so that does most of your things. Now third thing here in your payment system is batch. So most of the batches actually are required for making your incoming and outgoing payments. So in form of when you are receiving recurring payments, or when you are also making a disbursement or refunds to customer. So normally these are not done real time basis. Yeah, the time has come where for 5 minutes or 59 minutes loans, there is separate RTGS system is required, but most of the payments happen in a batch process. So a very strong batch module is required that can process all those payment files, cash matching and all seamlessly, and also take care of any kind of issues that we face because of batch failures. So you would need a batch system. Now the fourth thing is integration. So integration as in the integration with internal, that means your loan systems, and external as in the outside banks or payment service providers or payment gateways. So all these integrations are actually done in a payment system. It might be through API or it might be through any other mode, but all these integrations are also integral part of your payment system. Now the fifth thing is about reporting. So now as a good payment system, uh, we should have reporting capability. So it might be your daily incoming or outgoing payments, or it might be aggregated payment reconciliation, a lot of reporting is needed by multiple departments in a lending system. So it might be treasury that would need a report of incoming outgoing payments, or it might be loans purpose. We want to get a track of all incoming and outgoing payments that are coming to a loan. So that is why a well enhanced reporting system is required that can give you intelligence as per the need. Now finally I have crossed accounting. So normally payment systems do not have to take care of accounting. They integrate with lending system, and lending systems post the accounting entries to GL. If it is not specific scenarios like post loan closure collections or something, accounting is actually not integrated with payment system directly. So that is why I have crossed at this point of time the need of an accounting system. So this is in short the 5 modules those are required when you are designing your payment system. Thanks a lot for watching my video, viewers.